Hi, in this video we're going to unbox and talk about this. It's the Cricut Easy Press Mini, UK version. So if you've seen some of my other videos, I've been a fan now of this Cricut equipment. I've got the Cricut Maker, the Easy Press 9x9 and the Lightbox. And I also just picked up one of these that's just recently been released here in the UK. It's the Cricut Easy Press Mini. I've got this for a couple of reasons. One, as part of some of my making stuff, I picked up a sewing machine, and this is going to be really handy for kind of some of the small projects I'm doing to kind of iron out the fabric and everything. But also want to be able to do some vinyl transfers onto some caps, maybe even some trainers and other things. So this is going to be really helpful. At the time of posting, I think the recommended retail price is £55, and it's also compatible with Cricut's reasonably new infusible ink, so you can do kind of coasters and all sorts of different stuff, really cool kind of funky colours. So I think it's really handy. The difference between this and the Cricut Easy Presses, apart from its size, is it doesn't tell you any information about its actual current temperature and how long to hold on there, so you have to kind of count in your head how many seconds, and it's basically 3 heating levels. So yeah, it's quite ergonomic in the hand, as we see when we get it out. It has an auto off feature, so like most irons, if you leave it, it's not going to be a problem. The advantage of this over an iron is it's a dry, even heat across the whole bottom of the pad. And yeah, it comes with a nice little holder to kind of pop it in as well. So let's open the box and see what we've got inside. Okay, so to open the box, we just need to lift up the front here. There's a little bit of tape on the side. Okay, so this is what we have inside. So again, it's very compact, not loads to see in here. We have a bit of getting started information sheet, which we'll look at in a moment. And we have the nice kind of, it's a rubberized kind of base that's obviously got some silicone around the side, so it's not going to melt. You pop it in there. Then we have, put that away. Easy Press Mini itself, obviously here in the UK with the 3-pin plug, and then there is a little bit more material at the bottom, which is just some warranty information, so that's not really that important to us. So let me get it plugged in, and then we can kind of see kind of how it works and how long it takes to heat up. Okay, so it's all plugged in. I'm about to turn it on. As you can see, it's pretty tiny, and just show it next to my iPhone for comparison. So this is an iPhone 8 Plus. So you can see my phone is bigger than this thing. But yeah, so quite ergonomic, completely flat, dry base with a little kind of precision tip, which is helpful for doing caps and getting into kind of fine areas. And then this single button. So right now, obviously there's no lighting on at all, and it has 3 settings, low, medium and high. High is what you want to use it on for the infusible ink. I couldn't see anything on the Cricut website right now as to what kind of temperature ranges those are supposed to be in, so I guess we're going to have to just experiment and see. And as mentioned before, it has a auto shut off feature anyway. So we turn it on, there's a little beep, and we can see the orange light indicates that it's heating. So just see how long it takes to heat up to temperature on the lowest heat setting. So it should turn green and give us, I guess, some audible tone once it's up to temperature. Whilst waiting to do that, I was thinking that one of the things I'm going to probably do is make... Oh, there we go. It's ready. That was pretty quick. Let's try level 2. So this is a little pouch that I made. My first kind of attempt using a sewing machine, which didn't come out so well, but it's fine to share things that didn't go so well. That's how we learn. But I think this kind of pouch will be perfect size to keep this in. So I'm going to make another one of these pouches, and it should be a bit easier on the seams and things with this little device as well. So let me just see. Yeah, it's pretty hot. And finally, third. See how long it takes. And again, so whilst this is heating up in between uses, you can just sit it in its little kind of holder. And there we go. Good to go. So yeah, this will be really helpful on these different sewing projects, and obviously for mainly use it for vinyl things, but for me, just little things that I found just kind of getting used to some of this is stuff like this small material where I'm trying to kind of build stronger seams, the ability to be able to kind of fold that over and kind of iron it down would be really helpful, which is why this little Easy Press Mini will be quite helpful. So not going to show you any projects with this. I think it's pretty obvious kind of how the Easy Press and everything works. But yeah, so that's it, the Easy Press Mini. I'll do some more videos in the future which obviously will feature using this. Might link to that in the description. But I think my next one is going to be one of these Adam Savage pouches, which will show the use of the Easy Press Mini along with this Toyota sewing machine and everything I've got.
Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.